In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add descriptions in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log in to your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaigns option. Then choose Campaigns from the Campaign settings. Then from the Campaigns dropdown, choose Ads. Then, in the Ad settings, go to the top and select the ad you want to add descriptions to. Now, scroll down to the ad you selected, hover over it, and you'll see the pen icon appearing on your ad. Click on it. Then you will see all the details of your ad. Scroll down until you find the Descriptions section. Now, just add all the descriptions you want to add to your ad. You can add multiple descriptions for Google to rotate. Make sure your descriptions are clear and relevant and include a strong call to action. Once done, click the Save Ad to apply the changes. Your Google Ads descriptions are now added and ready to show. That's how you add descriptions in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.